Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix headphone mic not working on laptop Windows 11. Let's dive right in. Now, let's start with the basics. Your issue might be coming from your headphones being the issue itself. Having it as a hardware issue might be something a software fix or what we're going to try today is not able to fix. If it's a hardware damage where a wire or a speaker is broken, there's not much we could do with our computer itself. More on you have to replace or have your headset fix itself. But let's talk about the ways we could try and diagnose it and try to fix it with the software or through our computer over here. Now, first things first, we could check our device manager. Our device manager handles all our devices and their connections with our computer. It handles sounds, Bluetooth, camera, all kinds of things on your computer. And over here, we could check out our audio inputs and outputs over here. If you have attached your headset, it should recognize that headset under this option. Also, if you're wondering how do you find the device manager, let's start from that. First things first, open your hardware and sound, or rather your control panel, which is going to look like this. Then, you're going to look over here under networks and internet, the hardware and sound. It will have a printer and a speaker icon over here. Simply select it to view it in general. After that, you will see the settings over here. You can click on device manager over here, which will show us the same options that we have seen earlier. And there we go. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click under our audio input and outputs. You're going to locate the one for your input, which is going to be your headset. It will have the name of your headset and the icon for that as well, and simply select that. What you could do is you could right click it and click on update driver. There might be issues with your driver on your computer not allowing you to use your headphones and its mic. Maybe the driver that you're using is outdated, not allowing it to utilize that feature properly. So what you could do is you could update your drivers. You could either select search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers if you have one yourself. By doing this, it will check if the best driver for you has already been installed. If it's already installed, it will look like this. If it has not, it will install it for you. You could also try to check for hardware changes, which will refresh or restart the connections and see or check for you if there's things that you need to do or if there's changes. What you could do also is that you could right click it, click on properties, and it will display other information over here. You could check out the device status over here, which will allow you to do some further diagnostics if needed. If you noticed earlier as well, there is under this control panel the option for sound. You can click on manage audio devices, which will allow you to view all your audio devices connected to your PC or laptop. As you can see here, it will detect if a headphone or a headset is connected. What you could do is you could right click it and do test, configure speakers, or set as default device. As you can see, you could also click on properties to see more options about them like levels, advanced, and spatial sound. You can also check out your recording over here, which will allow you to see if the mic of your headphones is working. Because like this one, as you can see, microphone array, it's actually listening for the sound. As you can see, as I speak, its sound or sound bars are actually peaking. And if I don't speak, it's not going to move, as you can see. You could use this as a way for you to be able to check if it is indeed getting your input or recognizing that you are speaking. There's also sounds over here that you could check out, and you have communications as well. Now, if those methods doesn't work, or after trying those methods at least, you could try to restart your PC and see if any of the methods we have done actually works. Sometimes, even if you play around with the settings, all you need to do after that is to restart the PC to apply those settings. And sometimes you think it did not work, or the method that we have done does not work because you have not restarted it, therefore the settings did not really apply. And restarting your PC will allow it to restart or have a fresh set or fresh mode of working for your mic. Another thing that we could do is maybe our drivers itself, or all our drivers itself, are not that updated. So what you could do is you could get or go to Nvidia or AMD depending on your graphics card, and you could update them. You could update your Windows 10 drivers to allow you to have um, the updated and the latest drivers. Sometimes those drivers, or some drivers that you have, are not letting you utilize your devices properly. There are some conflicting drivers, stuff like that. So you could try doing this as well. You could try updating the drivers and all of those things. Aside from that, you could also do a command prompt for your device where you could open your terminal over here as an app admin. Then you can enter the following commands, which will forcefully update all the drivers of your Windows. And when in doubt, try the restart method, and maybe that will work as well. Or maybe try other USB port for your input device or your headsets. You could try plugging it in on another computer to ensure that it is not your headset that's an issue. But even if you plug it in another computer or another device and it still did not work, it is a high chance that the headset is itself is the issue and not something you could really fix on your computer yourselves. But you could try them out, try out the different methods that we have talked about, and see if those methods will help you out with your problems. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.